Hey guys, welcome back to NEXTGENBLOGGER, and in this video I want to show you how to animate a sphere smashing into a tower of cubes in Blender. Now it's actually super easy to animate a sphere smashing into a tower of cubes in Blender. So without further delay, let's get started and see how you can do this. Now to demonstrate this, I've already opened up the Blender software, and this is the default scene that you're going to see when you start Blender. Now first, I would like to delete everything that is present in the scene. So press the letter A and this will select everything that is present on the scene. And now press the delete button. Next, you need to add a plane. So go to the add menu, go to mesh, and now select the plane option. Now let's increase the size of this plane by 10 meters. Next, you need to add a cube. So go to the add menu, go to mesh, and now select this option, that is cube. Now I would like to move this cube along the z-axis by 1 meter. Now press the number 7 and this will give you the top view. Now we will create duplicates of this cube. So press Shift D to create a duplicate. Now press the letter X and this will activate the X-axis. Now let's move the duplicate cubes along the X-axis like this. Now let me select all the 3 cubes, press Shift D, and now press the letter Y and this will activate the Y-axis. Now let's move the duplicate cubes along the Y-axis like this. Alright, now press the number 1 and this will give you the side view. Now enable the X-ray mode and now select all the cubes like this. Now disable the X-ray mode and now let me press Shift D to duplicate all the cubes and now press the letter Z and this will activate the Z-axis. Now let's move the duplicate cubes along the Z-axis like this. Okay, so as you can see, we have created this tower of cubes. Next, what you need to do is you need to enable the rigid body physics for all these objects. So first select the plane and now go to the physics tab and now click on this option, that is rigid body. Now look inside the rigid body settings and right here you're going to find this option called type, where currently active is selected. So you need to change it to passive, because if we keep it at active, when I play the animation, the plane is simply going to fall down. So change the type from active to passive. Next, select one cube and now click on this rigid body option and now enable the X-ray mode, press the number 1 and this will give you the side view, and now select all the cubes like this. Now go to the object menu, go to rigid body and now select this option, that is copy from active. Alright, now we can turn off the X-ray mode. Okay, and so now if I actually play the animation for you. Okay, next what you need to do is you need to add a UV sphere. So go to the add menu, go to mesh and now select this option, that is UV sphere. Now let me move this UV sphere from this position to this position. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to move this UV sphere from this position to this position. So we are going to create that animation. Now let me increase the size of this UV sphere a little bit like this. And let's enable the rigid body physics for this UV sphere. So click on this rigid body option. Now look inside the rigid body settings, inside type, active is selected, so that's fine. Let's increase the weight of this UV sphere. So currently the weight of this UV sphere is 1 kg. So let me increase it to somewhere around, let's say 30 kg. Also, you need to enable this option, that is animated. Alright, now let's bring up the timeline. Next, what you need to do is you need to insert a location keyframe for this UV sphere in this position in the timeline. So currently my cursor is placed at the first frame. So let me insert a location keyframe for this UV sphere in this position. So select the UV sphere, press the letter K, and now select this option, that is location. Now let's move the cursor and place it somewhere around, let's say the 30th frame. And now let me move this UV sphere from this position to this position right here. And now press the letter K once again and select this location option once again. And that's it. And so now if I play the animation for you, perfect. So this is how you can actually animate a sphere smashing into a tower of cubes in Blender. What I would like to do is I would like to end the animation somewhere around the 50th frame. So inside the end frame text box, let me write the value 50 and now press enter. And now let me play the animation for you once again. So this is how you can animate a sphere smashing into a tower of cubes in Blender. Do let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Like the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will again see you in the next video. Till then, thanks for watching.